Right about now, the funk soul brother, check it out